So I'm just walking through the sort of village again here. Massive car park there. You know, such a nice place, really. I mean, a day, probably a day here is probably enough to walk around. So that might be the museum over there, maybe. Something about parking. I don't know, to be honest. If I have to pay a fine, I'll just pay it, to be honest. Because I don't even know how I'd necessarily pay anyway. Another vending machine. Ah, there's a spa and hotel. So Isimo Susa. I did pass me, which was yeah, I did pass a sign which said sort of Isimo City. And you've got that convenience store there. To be honest, I'd much rather have stayed, with no disrespect to the people who run this place. Like, I'm sure it's really nice, but where I was, I think, was just perfect in a way. So